Hey class, what's up? This is Mr. D and welcome to my lab. What I'm going to show you folks is the lab activity that you guys are going to be working on for the inspection principles class. And it consists of several different components. So I'm going to kind of walk you through what those components are, just give you a brief overview, and then I'll hit you with the actual lab activity or give you a description of what it's going to entail based on you looking at this video. And also I'll have a handout that will explain what you're going to recreate based on this knowledge. So let's start off with the function generator. And the function generator is a piece of electronic test equipment, and its main purpose is to provide or generate electronic waveforms. So right here you can see these three buttons, and it can generate a sine wave, a square wave, and also a triangle wave. This control right here changes the amplitude, or meaning how big these signals can be produced. Over on this side of the function generator, we have the range, meaning the frequencies that we can generate. This is a 5 megahertz function generator. They have generators that can go up to the gigahertz, probably terahertz now, but this function generator serves my purpose fine in the lab. Of course, we have the display here, and I'm going to make an adjustment with this knob that changes the frequency. Okay, so I can adjust the frequency all the way up from, say, 1 hertz up to 5 megahertz. Okay, the signal comes out of this jack right here, this BNC output jack, and then it goes into this little black box, which is a Parallax USB oscilloscope. This has electronics that will actually take the signals from that function generator, and then it'll convert those signals into data. And then with this USB cable, we're just going to track this cable here. Here we go. Tracking the cable. Then we end up going to where the software is. So this software is generating a sine wave, as you can see on the screen here. Okay, so here's the magic behind this software. And I can adjust the amplitude so it's getting louder in sound if I have this connected to a little audio amplifier. If I want to change the frequency, it'll actually change the frequency, which is time. Okay, so we got time versus voltage basically. So the software will allow you to visualize the signal. Also, it'll generate a file, a little text file that has the data. So the ideal behind this lab is I will have files related to capturing a signal. You guys will then take the file, and then using Excel, you will inspect the data. Then you will recreate that signal, meaning the sine wave right here, using Excel. Then from there, I'll have a little script, two versions of it, where with Python and Pandas, you'll get to plot the data and see that data being produced using Pandas assisted by Python. So those are the components for the lab, and I'll have the write-up, and of course you'll have the video, so you can kind of fast forward or go to the spot where you need some more information. Of course, if you got further questions, you can reach me on email. But those are the components right here, and you guys stay safe. Miss you guys, and let's have some fun. Talk to you later.